wish you a Christmas filled with love, laughter, and precious memories.
Hi, I'm Toby and wish you a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I hope you dare is still with presents, cookies, and candies. Thank you for filling the half of my year. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, my dear friend.
Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you.
I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Wishing you a merry and a new year filled with health, happiness, and success.
Merry Christmas to all.